In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Mercury Bank account for the year 2025. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each of the necessary steps to successfully access your account. Let's dive in and make this a straightforward and secure process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Mercury login page. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Mercury Bank. This is typically found on their official website, so make sure you're visiting a legitimate source to avoid any potential security risks. It's always a good idea to check the web address and ensure there's a secure connection, indicated by a padlock symbol in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Mercury login page, you'll see a form where you can enter your credentials. Start by typing in the email address or username associated with your Mercury account. It's important that this information is correct to ensure a successful login. If you're having trouble remembering the exact email or username, you may want to consult your records or use any forgot email features that might be available. Next, move on to the password field. Carefully input your password and be mindful of any caps lock features or similar typos that could prevent a successful login. Password security is crucial, so if you're not sure about the accuracy of your typing, take a moment to double check. If needed, use the password visibility toggle to view your entry in the field, ensuring every character is in its place. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your account, which is highly recommended for added security, you'll now be prompted to complete this step. A one-time code will be sent to you either via SMS, email, or through an authenticator app. Have your device ready to receive the code and enter it as prompted. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access, making it an essential part of the login process. Finally, once all your information is correctly entered and your two-factor code is accepted, go ahead and click the Login or Sign In button on the screen. This action will complete the process, and if everything checks out, you'll gain access to your account dashboard. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to safely logging into your Mercury Bank account. Remember to log out when you're finished, especially if you're using a public or shared computer to protect your personal information. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.